Hello, ma. How can I restore my period back? How can I balance my hormone? How can I increase my egg quality? How can I increase my ovulation? How can I increase my chances of becoming pregnant? These are the questions that I often receive from my amazing followers. Hi, my name is Tochi and you are watching Tochi Fertility Channel. In today's video, we are going to be explaining, I'm going to be demonstrating. There is something I posted yesterday and I didn't cut the video short because of people who will be watching from Nigeria. Please, you guys should support this page by subscribing. If you are in a European country, please subscribe. €5 will not cost you anything. So yesterday I posted a video about how to restore your menstruation back and all that. You know, that video has been long. I did it. God just presented it to me yesterday. I decided to post it like that. I didn't cut the particular place because of people watching me from Nigeria. Now I want to show you the ingredient. I want to demonstrate it here for you. Get your pen and paper, sit down. Not after doing this you will tell me, please ma, can you record it and send it to you? I'll be angry with you. This remedy, before I introduce them or go straight to this video, I will tell you it's a very effective one. Very like this. If you are taking it once, you will not see your menstruation again. Your stomach, what you will see is that your stomach will be big. You become pregnant. That is what I mean. So this remedy is very, very good because it does many things in your system. If you have fibroid, it will help cysts, endometriosis, PCOS, and maybe you want to restore your menstruation, you want to increase your egg quality. I posted it yesterday. I know a lot of people will not watch it. In fact, something that touched me yesterday, somebody wrote, he said she's watching from Nigeria, that is not playing. Can I please record it? And what she said touches me. That is why I am redoing it now. So the most ingredient here, like you can see, this is my pot and the glass cup. I have prepared it already. I am in my office. So the first ingredient is this. This is zobo leaf. This is zobo leaf. Like you can see, in English it's called hibiscus flower, but in I think in Nigeria they call it zobo leaf. People use it to do juice. So this thing is very, very good in purification. It purifies your blood. It helps your blood to flow very well. So the people that have cyst menstruation, this thing can help your menstruation to start flowing very well. I have tested this. I did it before I became pregnant. So this one is cumin seed. Some people, I read in the comments, somebody said, what if we don't have cumin seed? What are we going to use? I don't know. This, if you want to make this thing complete, you have to get all the ingredients. But if you don't have cumin seed, maybe you should use bay leaf. Although I have not tried with bay leaf. Do you know where I got this information? There was a time somebody called me. She nearly cried. She said she wanted to buy herself because she has not been able to conceive. That she have gone for a test. The doctor told her that she doesn't have any egg left in her ovary. I started making research. I come across a woman who used these things and she became pregnant. A woman who was in similar situation with her. So I told her to do this. She did it, and today she's carrying her baby. So this cumin seed is very, very good. Do you know that in India, because if you want to buy this if you're in European country, you can get this in Asia country or Indian shop. They use this cumin seed as ovulation stimulator. I'm going to show you how it look like. I have them. It look like small rice. I don't know if you people can see it. Look at how it is. So they use it. This thing helps to balance your hormone, especially if you have hyperprolactin. If you have hyperprolactin is a situation whereby you are not pregnant and the breast milk is coming out. In most of cases, people with hyperprolactin, your breast milk will not come. And this thing helps to regulate your sugar level. People who suffers from hyperprolactin might be as a result of sugar in your blood. So people who have hyperprolactin, this thing will help to regulate your high blood sugar level. So this thing helps to regulate it. It will enable you to regulate acids. Regulating it, then you can become pregnant, which means the hyperprolactin will go. So you see different things that this remedy will do. This is clove. Of course, everybody knows clove. Clove is used to cleanse uterus. It is used to increase egg quality. Like you can see, I bought this in for the purpose of this video. So we are going to add this clove to this remedy. Another one is lemon. I don't have lemon. This is orange, but don't use orange, use lemon. Another one is lemon. Lemon is very rich in vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and this thing also contains antioxidants that helps your body system to function very well. So another one is ginger. Ginger is very, very good when it comes to cleansing uterus, and it also contains anti-inflammatory. It also contains antioxidants. So this thing is very, very powerful, and I want to pay much emphasis here because I have taken this before. This, I'm speaking from experience. This thing is going to bulala your body. It's going to shake your body. Is going to wash. When I mean cleanse to the extent that you might fall sick. If you are not too like this, please don't do this, because the first day I took this my entire system noticed that something happened. The day I took, if you can be able to drink it, you know that you are good to go. It's not tasty. You know that zobo leaf is strong, right? It's not tasty. Cumin seed is strong. So if you can be able to take it, once, if you have fibroid, because what made me to take this, there was a time in my circle, then I started seeing clots in my blood. Whenever you see clots in your menstruation, it's not a good sign. It's a sign of either fibroid, cyst, or it's not a good sign. So I saw it. That was when I started using this thing to, make sure that everything is okay. And when everything becomes normal, I didn't see such thing again. But the thing, these things, I know why I'm laughing. You guys will not understand until you take it. You might take this thing and you become sick. It's really working on you. This thing can help you. If you have been diagnosed with low egg quality, it will help to strengthen your uterus. It will help you to start your menstruation. It will reduce your hyperprolactin. It will reduce your fibroid. It will reduce your endometriosis. If only you can do it. Some people will drink it one, they will run away. Now, before I talk too much, this is after doing all these things, I have introduced them. Then you need to bring to, and when you are preparing this, you can prepare it in a big pot so that you can be taking it 3 days. Not every day you'll be cooking. You can make it where it's big. Use it as water. Let this thing get into your system. Take it first morning, afternoon, evening, or night, depending. When you are taking it, at the point you go to toilet, you see that your urine have turned to another color. That is not a problem. It simply shows that the thing is getting into your system. So you take it morning, afternoon. If you want to take it during your menstruation, no problem, you can take it. But if you have fibroid, please take it after your menstruation so that you don't bleed too much. I repeat myself, some people will still come and ask me. I will know people who watch up to this moment. Some people will say, when are we going to take it? If you want to take it before your period, that is, if you want to take it during your period, that is, you are using it as a cleanser, then you take it. But if you have fibroid, please take it after your menstruation. And when you are going closer to your ovulation, you stop taking it, because if you become pregnant, this thing can also help you to, you understand. So take it during your menstruation, depending on how you want to take it. If your menstruation is not flowing too well and you want it to flow well, you can take it during, so that it will help it to flow more. If you have fibroid, please, you know that if you have fibroid, you always bleed too much. Then take it during that time so that you don't bleed too much. Take it morning, afternoon, and night. And if you use this thing like after 3 days, you can refill. Instead of bringing new ones, you can refill the water and cook it for about 45 minutes and keep on drinking it 2 days to your ovulation. Please stop. Now you bring two spoons. That is, this thing you are going to take it very big, like the spoon you use to prepare your soup. Those big spoons, take it two. You put in a pot. You take 1 handful of hibiscus, that is zobo leaf, put it in a pot. You take 2 teaspoons of clove, put it in a pot. Take 1 lemon, wash the back very well, slice it and put in the pot. Don't peel, slice, put it in the pot. Take your ginger, wash it very well, don't peel, put it in the pot and cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is the one I prepared. Do you see it? So you should take it first thing in the morning, drink it in the afternoon, night, continuously and consistently. You will see the results. But this thing is what is called total cleansing. What I mean total cleansing. And as you are doing this, please include prayers. After doing this thing, that's your period that refuses to cease. That pregnancy that refuses to come, it will come. And I pray for you as you do this judiciously. May God Almighty, in His infinite mercy, through this, bless your womb, open your womb, make your womb to conceive, remove any jangwajantis, remove any ailment, unblock any tubes, anything that is preventing you from conceiving. As you take this, the Almighty God that I serve will heal you and you will become pregnant. This year will not pass you by. Try this and thank me later. Bye bye. Please, if it is your first time, I welcome you with a kiss. Follow our page, like our page. You guys should subscribe to my page, oh. You guys should subscribe to this page, oh. Share my videos, introduce this page to your friends, anybody you know that is trying to conceive. And also, what again? Yes, I love you all. I love you. Yes, I love you. Bye-bye.